kinakabahan. Yung naramdaman ko po during my performance is sobrang happy ko po kasi I think naibigay ko yung best ko. And I think nagustuhan rin po yung mga judges, ng mga host yung
Of course. He's actually one of my top favorites sa TNT Grand Resback.
Very clear, nasa tono lahat. Napakaganda ng performance.
Ang ganda ng boses niya, grabe, nakaka-inggit ang ganitong boses.
Sobrang gagaling po talaga ng mga nakalaban ko, especially Tenten. Pero sa love ko is, grabe yung saya na naramdaman ko po nung nanalo ko sa team.
Manalo matalo, Lodi ko to. Sobrang ganda yung kumanta. Ang linis kumanta.
Pakita ang aming tapang at husay para ang aming pangkat maabot ang tagumpay.
Ano kayang song niya? Yun lang. Great song choice.
I've sung and out of songs, I've made some memories. Affected all my life on stages, 10,000 people watching it. Where I know now, I am singing this song to you. I know the image of me is what I hope to be. I treated you unkindly.
Wow. Heard that.
There's no one more important to me, baby. Can't you see through me? We're alone now. I am singing this song to you.
Nasal slide technique, beautiful runs, clarity. Oof. Ooh. That shift. Sino to? Grabe siya. Holy. Beautiful falsetto. Oh, did you hear that? Grabe yung skill niya, no? Vocal skill niya. G5 yung top note doon. Dare I say he is one of the best vocalists sa TNT. Kasi pag nag-runs siya, pulido, pero alam mo yung hindi. Kasi there are other singers na pag ginagawa nila, parang hindi siya natural tingnan, alam mo yun, pero natatamaan naman yung mga tono, yung mga notes. Pero siya talagang is very like natural sa kanya, wala masyadong effort, pero nandun yung emotions kung kinakailangan. So, great job sa'yo, Ian. I'm so happy and impressed sa performance mo. Sobrang galing. Sabi nga kanina, manalo matalo. Talagang maraming nag-idolize sa'yo, maraming may paborito sa'yo. So, great job.
Hintay ako sa iyong pagbalik. Ayokong ikaw